Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, October 9th, 2023. My name is Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Okay, so we all are aware of what's going on around the world. We've seen how this acts have obviously made the markets move, specifically crude oil markets. We'll take a look at that in a moment. There's an old saying in Wall Street that goes like this: when there's blood on the street is the best time to make money. So that being said, making money will be thinking that the indices are gonna retrace, are gonna fall, and obviously we are seeing how gold and crude oil are rising. So just for today, I will be on that side of the saying. So I'll be looking to short to sell the indices. We're seeing that right now in the Nasdaq, how it opened with a gap down. Okay, and that gap down, that momentum, and geopolitical uncertainty that is really hitting the whole globe. It most likely will be seen here in the indices. So selling the indices, I have my target at 14,657, which is a target that I used before, and it was met. So most likely we'll come down towards that. Now things could also come out and and close that gap initially, right, and then continue downward, or just continue just moving higher. So there's a lot of different ways for you to look at it, but because of the seriousness, and because it's so recent, I'm going to with the saying of selling, shorting the indices. Here's the S&P. This is just basically a doji as well, showing that big momentum to the downside, a gap down, so selling it. Here's the Dow, also gap down, selling that. Crude oil gap up, buying that. Okay, I'm buying that. All right, it basically has been close in a way, and then we have Nat Gas also trending higher. All right, maybe right here, this doji could tell us that this movement is already pausing, exhausting. Maybe we are overbought, so perhaps a retracement pullback down to 320 again, and then another leg to the upside could be also contemplated. Gold to the upside, gap up, I'm buying it. So 1840 will be a place where I'll buy it again if it retraces, right? So the target is 1880. Then we have silver. Silver right now is retracing, closing that gap. So around this area is a nice area to come in and buy it to see if it rebound. So long silver. Copper is retracing strongly back into Friday's range. It's almost inside of it. So I will be stepping out aside on copper for now, but the long term going long. Then we have the dollar index. If we see the dollar index continue to reevaluate itself, recuperate itself back up above 106.50 towards the 107 marker, where we'll see a strong continuation to the downside on the currencies, most likely. Right. So the pound, the euro, I'm using 104.5 as my support, which is the double bottom that was made on the 3rd and the 4th of October, at the beginning of the week of the month, and 106 as the resistance. And the pound also looking to just fluctuate down to 121. Perhaps it'll find support around there. And then the US dollar, Japanese yen, looking for this to make a nice little pop up over to 150. That's it for me today. This week we're gonna be seeing CPI and producer price index as well. So be careful, be ready for that, and have a nice trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.